If you're still struggling to do your Brazilians in under 15 minutes, you're missing out on money and potential clients. Today I will be showing you guys a technique that will help you to really get your time down when it comes to your Brazilians. For me, Brazilian waxes shouldn't feel rushed, but they also shouldn't be taking you over 20 minutes to do. It's not the most comfortable service, but it can be if you are utilizing your time and getting your client in and out. So when finding the proper technique, you want to kind of work in sections. I like to always start with the bikini line. So I will then lay a strip and then I will proceed to the other side and lay that strip as well. While this strip right here that I'm applying dries, I go ahead and pull up on the other strip that I laid to the other side. You always want to pull parallel to the skin, not straight up, or you will damage the skin. Once you completely pull those two strips off, I already laid the top strip, so just completely ignore that. But you do want to go to the top strip and lay those strips up there, and then you can move on to the labias. When I am doing the labias, I lay one labia at a time, and then I will go to my other bikini side and I will lay my cleanup strip for the bikini line. Then I will lay my other labia and do the same exact thing to the other side. Your Brazilian should not be over 15 minutes, you guys. I offer trainings if you still need help as an esthetician.
The perfect strip. You want to start with your wax. Make sure you roll it all off your stick. Get all of your wax off the stick. Then you're going to go down with great pressure. Make sure you're applying pressure. Go down and apply the wax. Now, once you've reached the desired width of how thick you want your strip to be, go down, make a lip, and then smooth it out. Boom, you have a quick lip. That's how you make a perfect strip. This does take practice, so you want to make sure you get you some paper or something to practice on. Make sure you're practicing on paper. Don't practice on a client. Practice makes perfect, so make sure you're doing this prior to you even getting the client. So when you do it on a client, you'll have it perfect. This is coming the other way. You're going to go down, use pressure on the skin, get the strip as wide as you want it, depending on the area that you're that you're waxing on. Come down, create that lip, which is going to help you successfully pull up the tab, pull up that strip when you go in to remove it. And boom, that's a perfect lip strip. I know that this is kind of hard to see with the clear wax, but you guys get the gist. Have a good day, babes.